Today, let me show you the machining process of our D0.96 H9 full-length flat end mill for aluminum. What you are seeing now is the runout detection of round material. The basic requirement is within 0.003 millimeters. If it meets the standard, the machine processed with machining. If it exceeds the limit, the machine automatically rejects the round and climbs the next one. Now the grinding process begins. Here is the finished end mill. This end mill is designed for precision machining of antenna slots in smartphone frames.